fly. I look good. You can't touch my back, but you could. I look fly. I look too good.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nicole here. Thank you all for tuning in. Today we're going to be working with the UNice hair. They sent over this beautiful wig that I'm going to get into in just a second. But of course I have to show you all what we got inside of the box besides this nice wig. They sent over some really pretty goodies. So we got some press-on nails that are absolutely so cute and pink. We also got an elastic band to help with our wig application process, and of course some really nice wig caps. So this wig, y'all, they sent over this really nice YAKI straight wig. This is a 7 by 5 closure wig in 24 inches and 150% density. This is a glueless bye-bye knots wig, which means that this wig is already bleached, it's already plucked, the laces on here is already perfect, and it gives that natural look. It has combs in the wig, and it also comes with an elastic band that is detachable and attachable to your liking, and you can stretch it or make it loose and make it tight and as snug as you want. Like I said, this is a glueless wig, and it does have knots, very small knots, invisible knots at that, to make this wig application process look so natural and so easy. This is a glueless wig, and I'm going to be applying it as a glueless wig, but I'm just showing y'all how small these knots are, and they are already pre-bleached, which means that you don't have to bleach this hair at all, and the lace is already pre-cut, so you do not have to do anything about that at all. This is nice lace for you to apply and match your hair color, so we love that as well. Like I said, it already comes with wigs and elastic band to make it tight and snug. So this is what the wig looks like right outside of the box onto my head, and it honestly fits my hair really perfectly. I love this YAKI texture. I love that these companies are making these wigs of more a natural texture. It's given like natural silk press, so I love that so much. The length was absolutely perfect. If you like long hair that's not too heavy, this wig will be definitely great for you. It's easy to apply. All you have to do is put some makeup on here. I'm using my powder foundation, and as you can see, it did some, you know, adjusting, but of course I'm going to put some more on there because I want this wig to look as invisible as possible. It did come with a middle part, but I wanted to go ahead and just kind of define that some more, so I went in with my comb and kind of just made that part to my liking. I'm not doing any baby hairs with this wig. I'm not adding any hair to the lace towards the front, so we're just gonna just put the wig on as it is. I'm not plucking any lace. I'm not cutting any lace. I'm not plucking any parts. I am just literally putting makeup on this wig and trying to blend this with my skin so that this can be a flawless application. That is the goal here. We want this application to be so easy because this wig is absolutely so pretty. So I'm just going in with some more makeup, and once I got it to my liking and how I wanted it to be, y'all, this wig was given scalp. Absolutely scalp. And I did not use any adhesive, any glue. I didn't use anything. I don't even know why I was pressing it into my fingers, because I didn't use anything on this hair at all. Once I figured out how tight, the goal was to make this wig snug. So at first in the beginning you weren't able to see how snug it was, but I made it snug, and now you can see how glueless this is. I'm not using any glue, and as you can see, the lace is blending in with my skin very well. You saw my comb go through there, and honestly I was loving this flip over method because it just gave so much. And I'm just showing you all here how well this lace blends in with my skin, and how this application process is just so easy for those girlies who like a glueless install. Now I'm just going to manipulate the middle part some more and just kind of make it more flat, because you know I like a Ariana Fletcher flat wig. Okay, if it's not Ariana Fletcher flat, I don't want it. Okay, I need a Ari Fletcher flat wig. So I'm putting my that is my edge stick on the middle parting of the lace to kind of define my part some, and I'm going in with my hot comb on a 370-degree setting. I just wanted to kind of press this middle part out some so that it can lay more flatter, and my wax stick definitely helped out with that. But what actually did the job, y'all, was this hot comb. If you don't have a hot comb, get you one. It's going to save you so much time, and it's going to help your application process look great. So right now I'm just going to straighten out the hair some. I wanted to get some of those lumps and clumps and bumps out of the wig that came with it being in the package and shipped and on the truck and processed and all this other stuff like that. So I have my flat iron on a 420 degree setting, and as I'm flat ironing this hair, I just absolutely love it even more. It's just giving a natural silk press, so I love it. But I decided to go ahead and add some curls into this hair because I wanted it to have like a body wave texture. You know, sometimes with straight hair, it's hard to actually put curls in and then make the curls stay. So my goal was to just put some curls in so that it could have that body wave look, and it absolutely came out so pretty. Even as I'm curling the hair, I can still like look at the lace and see how it's blending so well with my makeup and with my skin tone, and it's just looking so glueless, so flawless. Like I said, the goal was to just make this an easy application process, easy for beginners, easy for those who want a really nice wig but don't want to do all the extra baby hair and all the extra gluing down. All you want to do is put on your wig and go. This wig is absolutely perfect for that, and it's so lightweight. Even though it's a lot of hair, when you put the wig on, you're not gonna really even tell. If you like a natural hair that's giving natural silk press, then this wig is for you. So this is what the hair looks like after I curled everything. Like I said, y'all, it's just giving natural, pretty silk press. So pretty, so lightweight, but still giving that natural girl silk press feel. I flipped this hair over and I was like, oh yeah, this right here, this is the look. Okay, this, once I curled the hair and once I like flipped it over, I said, yeah, this the wig. This is the one right here. I was feeling myself so much. The hair is so pretty, it's so bouncy. I was listening to music, so I was enjoying myself. Even like in this moment right here, it's giving sizzle. And this is a glueless wig, y'all. UNice did a great job with making this wig. I didn't use any spray or adhesive on this wig, y'all. But y'all, that's it. Like, I'm done with the video. I'm done with the application process. We love this hair. We love this wig. It is so pretty, so beautiful. Check the links out. Check the links in the description box down below for everything on this wig. If you want this wig and you like natural, this is the wig for you. I promise.
Hi guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you all enjoyed it. This hair, girl, and it's glueless, y'all. No glue. I love this hair. Absolutely. UNice did a great job with this wig. I love how it's so natural, so pretty. Like I said in the video, it's given like naturalista, pressed, silk press, goddess. And then when I have it in the middle part, like I said in the video, it's just giving like SZA. You know, SZA likes her hair like big like that, but I'm a side part girly. So for me, like, this wig is just eating the girls up. So hope you all enjoyed the video. Everything about this wig will be linked in the description box down below, so please go check that out. It will literally take you straight to UNice website, straight to this hair, so that you can buy this wig. This wig is so pretty, it's so full. I love the natural like yaki texture, the natural like you know, silk press texture, natural girls. It's just so pretty. It's not too heavy, so it still gives you that full look that you want, but still in a beautiful and natural way. Thank you all so much for watching. Hope you all love and enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel for my videos coming soon. Shout out to UNice Hair. Check the links in the description box down below, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye. Be blessed.